of a start at, right? That way. Hey, yo, give me that nutty buddy. Oh, they got oatmeal cream pie. Oh, they got the ding dong. What's up? Ever Start Marine Oat.
They're actually pretty good.
Goodbye.
Some crude leather.
Alrighty. Down. Okay, so we have done been to Walmart. We've done been down here to Harry's gas station. We're putting in down here at Brogan's today, and hopefully we can get on that evening bite. It's about 2 o'clock. We've probably got about 3.5 hours of fish, so the camera's behind the camera. We've got a battery, we've got fuel. Now we're going to head over to Brogan's and see what we can do. People's looking at us crazy. We're in Townsville, Tennessee. We've got the camera out. We've got YouTube going, and that's just what it is. What are you thinking? Do you really? Yep. Yes, Cameron's got it. Good smallmouth. First fish. Yes! First fish, guys. Oh, yeah. That's a good sign.
Yes, sir.
This is awesome. Hey, we'll catch him. I'll catch him all day. That's fun, too.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? That's awesome. Other one? Yes, Cameron's got it.
Where you at?
Here. Is that a good one? Here. Yes. Yes! 2. Now we got 2! Yes, sir. I'll send her on Facebook. You got him? Yes! 3! Fish number 3! 2 more, baby. Show it up.
Show it
hey,
up.
that's 3.5.
Wow.
That's 3.5 all day.
Dude.
3.5 all day.
James or King James?
No, get the King James. KJV.
Okay. I was just making sure because I didn't want to get the wrong one again.
Yeah. Where you at?
Morristown.
Morristown.
Yeah.
Well, you're at Books a Millions?
No, I'm at the Christian Bible store in the mall.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for the invite. It's okay, though.
You didn't invite me fishing, so you don't get an invite.
Where else?
Well, it was somebody else, something, yeah.
Oh, your dad.
Yeah, Mexican.
Mexican. Look here.
You got him?
Oh, that's a good one, boy. Oh. Get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. Okay, get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. Hold on, dude, it's big. It's big. Hold on, it's big. Okay. It's big.
There we go. Got him on that GoPro. Got him on that GoPro. She. Yes, sir. They're hollering up there. There we go. They're hollering up. Shoo. That's a good fish. Let me see it. Hang on for a second. All right, well, just put it in there. We'll get on the scan. Got him? Finally. Is it a largemouth?
Yep.
Yes. Guys, guess the weight. I'm gonna say 395.
Guess the weight, win a TRD.
Yeah, guess the weight, win that bait. Guess the weight and win that bait, cuz.
Try to smooth things over, and I don't know, maybe.
Good one. Oh! That was a big fish. Oh dear heavens. That was like, I thought I was hung on. I thought I was alive. Look here.
Oh, he came.
Oh, oh, small one. Hang on, Tyler. That ain't it. Finally, dude. That must have been one running with it. Oh, got it on GoPro too. Did you see?
Set your pole down and another one big.
It was the one hit it. Dude, Tyler, I lost a fish and it was huge. It was a really good fish. And it got off and I dropped my pole. I almost slung it. And I walked to the back of the boat and kneeled down. And then I came back up here, picked my pole up, and there's another fish had it in its mouth. That's crazy, ain't it?
Did you reel it in?
Oh, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it right here. Yeah.
How big is it?
Hey, you do what?
How big is it?
Oh, it's
Pound.
pound and a half maybe. But dude, that one I had on, he was big. There we go, guys.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. Do you really?
Yes, 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 yes.
Woo!
That did.
6.5, boy. There we go, guys. Like, subscribe, comment.
It's yours.
Yes. All right, guys. Here is the biggest fish of the day. Cameron caught this probably about 2 something. 2.5, 2. It's fat too, chubby thing. Biggest smallmouth of the day. We're about to release it here. And there she go. That is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And this winter fishing, man, it's kind of hard, but if you all got some good baits, let us know. Put it down in the comments, and we're about to load this boat up and head to the house and get ready for church in the morning. So thank you all so much. We love you all. God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.